First prototype is printed. I guess you can tell how old this grill is by counting the rings on it. Besides that, it is actually silky smooth. Look at that quality. Holy shit. But to have it print faster, it's been printed in 2 pieces and then glued together just for now. Well, like I said, this is a prototype, so it will go boom, something like that. Hold on. Yep, better. Something like that. We are a little short on an edge, so I guess we're gonna end up warping it a bit more. And if it's, is it this way? Which way? Is it this way? No, not this way. Okay, that way. Yeah, but now we know. Very nice. Little tweaks and yeah, it'll be